Hello everyone. So welcome back to leetcode 1743 problem. So the problem is there is an integer array now that consists of n unique elements, but you have forgotten it. However, you do remember every pair of adjacent element in the num. So this is the problem statement. So basically what they are trying to say is suppose it's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the array and you have forgotten this array, but what you have remembered is this suppose 2, 1 because these two are adjacent. Again, the value of the adjacent is 2, 3 because these two are adjacent. Again, 3, 4. So you have given this array and you have to find out the biggest one. This one. To solve this problem, we are using HashMap. So HashMap contains a key of int and a list of values. The adjacent pair is 2 comma 1 and again 3 comma and again 3 comma 2. So we will move uh, right hand side, and for each value we are going to store in a HashMap. So the HashMap contains the value like this. So for the zeroth index, the HashMap of the two element is 1, and for the one element it is 2. Again, for the one number index, for this index we are going to create a key with 4 and again 4, 7, 3 list. Now for this index we are going to add one more value in this 2. For the 3 is 2. Like that we are adding the value, and you will notice that there are two keys which contains a value 1, or the size of the array is 1. So here it's 1 and 4. So we will use DFS after that. So let's try to code. Each value of the there. Now I will check whether the value is present there or not. So the value is absent in here. add value. Value. After creating the hash map, I'm going to check which on which index actually I'm going to start. So find out the starting of the index. We will find which key value size is 1. So we have to start with this key. Calculate DFS. Now let's go to the DFS. This is the answer of the array. Yeah. So DFS continue HM start for each value in the array. I need to pass that index also for storing that value. And so I will start with J and then uh, this one variable called C. So if you go through the DFS problem, say is there any value or not. So for set, and you will use boolean also. So for DFS dot C. So now I have to pass my array also. plus 1. So so let's try to run this code. Dimension is missing. So yeah, so one more thing you have to take care, you have to see is, so adjacent pair contain 3 and the output is 4. So you have to take the length of the adjacent pair and plus 1. So AP code variable start might not be same as, okay, mistake. Yeah, so this is the question, got the answer. Yeah, so it's fast and it's faster than 68.79%. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.